Hi and welcome to BoloForms Signature. In this video, I'll show you how you can send a signature request for signing your documents. Click on Get Started and you will be redirected to signature.boloforms.com. Sign in with your account and you have been successfully logged in. Click on the PDF icon and now add the recipient details. You can also add a private message to the recipient. Once done, click on the Add button. You can also add multiple recipients as per your requirements. Don't forget to click Save once you add the recipients. You can also add the email details, including the mail subject and the mail body. Click Save once done. And now, upload the documents you want to get signed. Once uploaded, you can either save it as a draft so that you can continue editing it from a dashboard, or click on Next. Now, go to the desired page you want to get the signature. Choose the recipient and click on Add Signature. Place your signature field box on the desired location. And once done, click on the Send button. And that's it. This is how you can send a signature request for signing your documents with BoloForms Signature.